How to enable or disable camera permissions on Google Chrome. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily allow or deny the camera permissions on Google Chrome. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. On that note, let's dive in. First thing first, you will have to open up your phone settings. And once you get to your phone settings, you will have to find the list of your apps. So just scroll down to find your app settings. And once you get to your app settings, you will just have to scroll down to find Google Chrome. So I'm just going to do that quickly right here. And once you find Google Chrome, you just tap on it. So usually you just have to tap on permissions. And here it will show you all of the allowed permissions for this app. So as you can see, I've allowed my camera, location, microphone, and notifications. None of these below are allowed. So if you have camera on this not allowed section, you just tap on it and tap on allow. And if you want to turn it off, just tap on don't allow. What this will do is move the camera to the below section where your Chrome will no longer have your camera access. So if you want to allow it again, tap on it to allow while using this app, go back, and your Chrome should be able to access your camera anytime. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.